Welcome to the DXC Social Media Intelligence demonstration built on Microsoft Azure. This demonstration was built around an energy use case, although it's not really industry specific. As we look across the business, there are multiple opportunities for us to work with you to increase your overall analytic IQ. Here are 4 examples. In marketing, we can help you drive digital marketing influence and reach. In customer retention, we can help you respond quickly to customer interests or increased competition. In warranty management, early insight to aid in the detection of potential warranty issues for proactive customer servicing can help you improve customer relationships. And finally, supply chain, where there's a wealth of opportunity to help improve efficiency, customer satisfaction, and top-line revenue. Let's go take a look at the demo. In this first view of our demo, we have several items to present. In the top left, we'll begin with search versus social. This is in volume. The green bars represent social media posts. The line represents the search score. These are reflected in the axes noted on the left and the right. Top searched keywords are also included here, integrating keyword statistics from search engines into our social analysis. Share of conversation is also included in the top right in a pie chart. Overall conversation trends by brand can be seen in the lower left. And then finally, where you can drill into conversation details and view specific comments are on the bottom right. On the far right, you will also see that we share top channels and overall volume. If you click on a specific company, you can see how the system will filter each of these views, making everything interactive for your analysis. The next section is sentiment. You can view sentiment again by brand and by channel, looking for anomalies, looking for opportunities to see where you are disproportionately out of sync with your competitors. Perhaps you have a more positive sentiment in a specific area. Let's filter into a specific company and then into a specific channel again to show how the system can give you the analytic capability to drill deep. Understanding volume, understanding sentiment, let's understand the topics, the themes that are being discussed in the social realm. This proportional chart helps you visualize what are the themes, the topics being discussed, and then we share sentiment across to those themes in the chart to the right. Again, if we filter on a specific company, we can see how this differs from the overall theme, or I potentially could compare myself against multiple competitors. I also have the ability to filter down further into additional channels. The last section of this demo presents our ability to deliver our proprietary brand clout algorithms delivered through Azure machine learning. Here you see a scatter chart which demonstrates our ability to assign an individual score to every social contributor. We'll give you that score not just on the specific brand, but on the overall brands in question. So if I look at this bubble, you'll see that this one person has multiple scores for each of the brands. If I click on an individual company to make it a little simpler, I can look and see the brand influence scores for every individual. And perhaps I want to click on this bubble because it represents a relatively high score for my specific brand. Here I see that it's a magazine. I see that its overall influence score is quite high at an 8. The brand influence score for my specific brand is much lower at a 2. I notice that there are no negative posts coming from this brand. There is one positive post. Perhaps there's an opportunity for us to explore further. Let's go back to the slide deck. Let's move on and look at the conclusion of what we have covered in this demo. We began by ingesting web and social data through the event hubs, and we performed analytics through Azure Machine Learning, Azure Stream Analytics, and the Azure Data Factory. The results were stored in an Azure SQL database, and all visualizations were presented through Power BI. I'd like to thank you for reviewing this presentation. I hope you take the next steps and download the demo and explore the data for yourself. And better still, click on the link on this page to begin a conversation with somebody on our team to help you expand the analytic IQ of your organization. Thank you.